Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for anyone in the custom printing business. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the DXZ U14 A3 DTF Printer Bundle, and I think you're going to love what this machine can do. From precision printing to automatic maintenance, this printer seems to have it all. So let's dive in and take a closer look. First, let's talk about the precision printing capabilities of the DXZ U14. This machine features a high-performance F1080 single printhead that delivers ultra-sharp, vibrant designs with a resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi. What this means for you is professional, eye-catching results on every t-shirt and garment, without keeping you waiting. The printer can reach speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, which is incredibly fast, allowing for higher daily throughput for your business. Imagine being able to produce high-quality prints quickly and efficiently, giving you more time to focus on growing your business and less time worrying about production. Another feature that really caught my attention is the vacation-proof auto maintenance. We've all been there, going on vacation and worrying about our equipment back home. The DXZ Holiday Mode automatically performs printhead moisturizing, nozzle cleaning, and whitening circulation while the printer is idle, so you can enjoy your time away without worrying about clogged printheads. Whether you're away for a weekend or an extended vacation, your printer stays protected and ready to print when you return. This feature alone is a huge stress reliever and can save you a lot of time and money in the long run. The true 14-foot print width of the DXZ U14 is also a major advantage. Unlike 13-foot printers that limit your output, the Ultra 14 delivers a genuine 14 printing width, allowing you to print transfers for kids wear, adult plus sizes, hoodies, and bags without splicing or outsourcing. This means you can scale your custom t-shirt business instantly, taking on larger orders and expanding your product line without needing to invest in additional equipment. One machine, unlimited size potential. It's a game changer for any business looking to grow. In addition to these features, the DXZ U14 also boasts one-click print-to-bake and 24/7 auto maintenance. The advanced automated system includes built-in moisturizing, scheduled cleaning, and auto upkeep, reducing downtime, prolonging printhead life, and making maintenance stress-free and fully automated. This means you can focus on designing and printing while the machine takes care of the rest. And with the ability to print flawlessly on cotton, polyester, blends, and other fabrics, maintaining vivid, true-to-life colors on every material, the possibilities are endless. From custom apparel to promotional products and personalized gifts, the DXZ U14 can handle it all. In conclusion, the DXZ U14 14-foot A3 DTF Printer Bundle is an incredible piece of technology that can take your custom printing business to the next level. With its precision printing, vacation-proof auto maintenance, true 14-foot print width, one-click print-to-bake, and 24/7 auto maintenance, this machine is a must-have for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints quickly and efficiently. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the DXZ U14 today and start taking your business to new heights. Trust me, you won't regret it. This machine is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.